I'm Chris, and today we're going to assemble the Santorini Teak and Mesh Sun Lounger. When you order from Teak Warehouse unassembled items, this is how your item will show up. The first step in building the Santorini Teak Sun Lounger is to install the feet. Now, there's two sizes of feet, small and large. We're going to take the larger end and put it where the mesh is fixed, where the backrest is not. Let's put a quarter-size dollop of wood glue in the tenon, in the mortise. Then insert the tenon. Use the smaller screws and use the tool provided to get it started. Make sure the holes are facing inward. The smaller foot goes on the end where the back adjusts. Take note to make sure the holes are facing in. Use a quarter-size amount of wood glue in the mortise and take careful to make sure the holes are facing inwards. Use the small screws and the tool provided to start your screws for your legs. Once they're started, you can tighten them down. These four angle pieces go in between the leg and the base of the lounger, like so. You then insert the larger screw The last thing to install is the wheels. You have the wheel and the bolt. Unscrew the bolt and the nut, remove the washer. The bolt from the outside goes through the wheel and into the leg. Make sure to put your washer on first and then your nut. Use the provided wrench, hold one side of the wheel, and repeat that on the other side. And jiggle the wheel, make sure it has a little play, and you're all done. Let's flip it over and see how it looks. Beautiful.